Hello and a warm welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to repot my banana plant. I thought it would be a really quick video. I actually bought this one offline only a couple of months ago, and it's put on some brilliant growth. So I just wanted to document it for the channel really. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So this is my MUSA Bajoo. It's really put on some brilliant growth. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go a pot a little bit bigger than 2 times bigger, only because it's put on some really good root within the last couple of months. So I wanted to give it a bit of breathing space. It's put on a little bit of growth on top, which I'm really pleased with, but it's really thickened out, so the quality of the plants become really good. I will put the link to the last video because it was an online order from the UK, so I highly recommend it. It comes really great quality. So let's get this potted up. I've just used a multi-purpose compost. I will be giving it a little bit more chicken manure. With it being August, end of August, now coming to September, I feel like the compost will be more than enough, 4 to 6 weeks worth of nutrients, be more than enough to finish the season out. So yeah, like I say, just a documentation really of how they're doing, how it's coming along, but super happy. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really does help the channel out, and hit the notification bell. That way you won't miss out on any content coming up. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you got something out of this video. Until the next one, see ya.